I never tire of showing you another vegan dessert. This is Chocolate Sin Muffin.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
It says here it's made with love and real ingredients. You take a look at the back. Yeah, well, it's going to be hard to read this one. Hey, knock it off! That was my puppy chewing on my shoelace. Yeah. See it down there? Okay. Anyway, so it says here it's about 90 calories per serving, 3.5 grams of fat, 1.5 saturated fat, no trans, no cholesterol, 90 milligrams of sodium, total carbs of 14 grams, 1 gram fiber, total sugar is 8, 2 grams. Now I want you to show you that these are incredibly small for the amount of calories that this thing has. I mean, 90 calories for this miniaturized vegan muffin? Let's take a bite. These are so good, I might hide them from Linda. So anyway, if you're at Sprouts and you see these mini muffins, chocolate sin muffins, go down there and buy them as fast as you can, because I'm going to be buying my second set tomorrow. I might eat all these tonight. Thanks for watching.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.